This begins a multi-part series on completely rebuilding a Delta Unisaw. I've had many questions about this and requests for videos of documenting the process more fully. So this is a resource. It'll probably be at least 10 parts trying to completely show the process of rebuilding, trying to video more of it than I've done before. I hope this helps, and here we go, getting started with part 1, taking stock.
Alright, latest projects here. 2 Unisaws from a school vocational shop. This was from a school in North Carolina. They were consolidating 2 high schools into one. Thankfully, they are still going to have a shop program, but in the new school, the shop teacher wanted to have all saw stops. So there were some Unisaws available that I purchased. And these will be some fun projects. Overall, they seem to be in pretty good shape. There'll obviously be some discoveries along the way. Missing a few things here and there, but should make for some nice complete refurbished projects by the end. And then here's a table over here. And then a table there. These do have the pop-up splitters, which is a nice feature to have. This one you can see here. This was a Delta add-on that you could purchase for Unisaws. It usually came with the overarm guard, the Delta Uniguard, which they called it. So my next task here is to clean everything up, take stock of what I've got here. Then I'll open up the electricals and try to check out the motors and see what we're looking like there. But should be fun.